Chill. Kill the guards. Just kill the guards for now. Kill the guards. Come northwest. Follow me. Kill the guards. Keep killing the guards, guys. Keep killing the guards. My healers stay at the back. And kill the guards. Keep killing the guards. They will brawl us inside the Lord Room. Be careful if they... Can someone watch my flank?
Sige.
Killing.
Nag-OC na sila. Nag-OC sila.
Sikip ang nag-OC.
Guys,
Nag-OC
don't use all of your skills.
Nag-OC na sila.
Ay, nako. I got to control caller.
Ready? That's a golem.
It's fine.
Fake.
Hold. Just hold. Kill the elite guards first. I'll pull the elite guards. Stay there. I'll be pulling the kill guards. You kill them. It's fine. Chill. Defensives. I need heals.
Kill the guards
I
lang.
need heals. Kill the guards. Keep killing the guards. Go back, Sinzus. Don't die, boys. Don't die.
I boots already.
Come back. Kill the guards, please. Kill the guards. Heals. Go back a bit and heals. Go back a bit, get heals. Okay. Wait for skill cooldown. Now chill. I'll pull the other guards. Watch your guards. Guys, we will go in as soon as Tokontol uses his skill. Okay. Thank you for pulling the guard. Yeah, spread southwest. Pull the guard. Kill the guard. We'll play very slow. Kill them. Okay, be careful. Careful of enemy engage. Chill. Can someone else pull the guards? Ready your defensives. Now push in, boys. Push in. Bro, push in and brawl. Look for the healers. Backline. Senjutsu. Look at Senjutsu at the backline. Guys, push in. Now come northwest. Go northwest. Guys, brawl. Keep rolling. They have a few guys who will die. Nice. Defensives. Good. Okay, we lost 2 healers. Bro, just keep rolling. Keep rolling them. Get heals. Get your heals.
Healthy.
Yeah. Pa-healthy mo na. Keep rolling. Come. Keep rolling them, boys. Roll them. Come back a bit. Come. We only have 1 healer. Chill. We only have 1 healer. Get heals first. Fine. Wait for them to engage. Go back first. Wait a bit. Come. Keep healing. Come back. Chill. Keep healing. Can my healers trigger?
Yeah. Coming back.
Chill. We still have 4 minutes. Just chill. Yourselves healthy. They lost 2 people. Who did I lose? We lost 2 people. Yeah, Aussie guys, why are you not Aussie?
OC.
Kanina pa ako nag-OC.
And wait for our healers.
Pa-protect.
Fine, we're good. Defensives, go back. Just go back. Don't go too deep. Don't go too deep, boys. Don't go too deep. We only have 1 healer. Just play with them. Danger on outbound 2. Okay. Come back a bit. Get your heals first. Now come. Slowly. Push in. Come in. You guys kill this. Ready your defensives, boys. Don't pull the guards. Come back. Defensives. We're good. Go back.
Wow,
Execute
ako.
Go back. Kill the guards. Keep killing the guards. Good job. Now you chill. You chill here, boys. Okay, it's fine. We're good. Come southwest a bit. Come southwest, get heals. Okay.
Yung
Ready,
guard, yung
defensives,
guard.
defensives, defensives, defensives,
Defense.
defensives, defensives. Go back a bit, go back a bit. Now you can brawl, now you can brawl. Now you can brawl, now you can brawl. Brawl, brawl,
Go
brawl,
na sila.
brawl.
Go, 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 go.
Brawl, 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 brawl. They're losing people, they're losing people, they're losing people. Just keep rolling, boys. Keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling. Keep rolling. Now go back a bit, go back a bit, go back a bit, get heals. 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 Chill, 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 chill. Now you push. Come, 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 come. Come, guys, come. Brawl, 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 brawl. Brawl them, brawl them. Oh, go back, go back, go back. Don't pull the guards. Don't pull the guards. Don't pull the guards. Defensives, defensives, defensives. Ready, defensives. Okay, it's fine, it's fine. Very good, very good, very good. Ready, just ready. Defend. Go back a bit. Go back a bit. Go back a bit. Kill the guards. Slowly kill the guards. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back a bit. Slowly kill this guy. Kill this guy. Kill this guy. Good job, good job, good job. Good job, good job, good job. Slowly kill the guards. Keep killing the guards. Keep killing the guards, boys. Keep killing the guards. Keep killing the guards. Kill the guards. Focus on the guards. The guards hurt more than these powers. Kill the guards. Guys, kill the guards. Kill guards. One guy, Perman Kaki is about to die. Ready defensives, guys. They still have one hit. Okay. Chill.
Fuck, lumabas ako.
Don't go out, don't go out, don't go out.
Go back, boys. Go back. What the fuck are you guys doing? Go back, just go back. Just go back. Go back.
Yeah.
Let's go back.
Guys,
Seconds will
pinapag-go
die.
ba kayo?
Go back.
Okay,
Go
okay,
back to
lumabas.
the fucking Lord room.
Okay, lumabas!
Go.
Yeah. My bad.
Guys.
Nakalabas na ako kanina pa.
Huwag na kayo sumilip, please.
Kill alert,
Huwag na, huwag na kayo sumilip.
Kill alert. Try to get out, Z. Try to get out.
Lord ka
Okay,
lang
you
eh.
me up here.
Kill alert, guys. Kill alert.
Dapat hindi, umikot na kayo. Boss pa yung kabila.
Huwag na, pre.
Zekis. Sa kabila ka na pumasok.
Kill alert.
Hindi kayo makapasok dyan.
Napindot ko. Sorry.
Kill alert. Just keep killing the Lord. Kill alert. Can you sustain
Takbo
them?
lang.
Can you sustain
Yeah,
them? Kenan?
Ano?
Sige lang.
Can you sustain
Makakatakbo ka pa, par.
Just come
No,
here, Zekis.
matakas si Zekis, matakas.
Yeah, kill the Lord. Just kill the Lord, guys.
Aba-
Kill the fucking Lord.
Abangan kita dito sa case. Go, go. Abangan kita.
Ignore everything else and kill the Lord. Ignore everything else and kill
They're
the Lord.
inching
I
na.
don't care. Just kill the Lord. Just kill the Lord. Just
Yeah,
kill
Okay,
the
pwede
Lord.
na.
I'll try to stop them.
Very good.
Evade.
Chill. They will engage.
I hold them.
They don't have any engage. Just flip the fucking castle. They don't have any
They're going out na. They're going out.
Come southwest. Chase these fuckers. Keep chasing them. Mount up. One guy flip, then the rest just mount up and chase this. Don't let
Okay
them.
na. Na-flip na.
Chase. Kill to Kondol.
Oh, may gamit pa rito. Nice.
May gangkan dito, what the fuck? Bobo ko mag-root doon. Star.
Tayo na, napindot ko yung gate.
Gate.
Imbis na kalaban. Nakakabis.
Okay.
Guys,
Okay
I told
lang,
you guys,
wala
don't
ka
pull
lang.
the fucking guards, right? Mas masakit yan kaysa sa ano. Don't underestimate. Castle caller ko to kung si Tokontol. Marami akong natutunan yan.
Ang daming basag.
Gagi.
Everyone
Kuminyot
mount
mo
up,
sa...
everyone mount up,
Trade,
everyone mount up.
pre.